A patch of swampy grass can swallow thunder without making a sound, and I can't stop watching it happen. But the strange part is wetlands don't mute storms by luck. They soak up floodwater like a giant breathing sponge. So every drop they hold slows the surge rolling toward towns, which means a marsh you might step over without thinking can cut the height of a flood peak by hours or even days. And that tiny delay gives people upstream time to escape. And that's why a quiet wetland can be louder than any alarm. So tap like or comment if you want more stories like this.